trouble I think people have is thinking that they need to become the subdivide expert. They need to become a survey expert. You don't need to do any of that. Did you go look at the property? No, heck no. You didn't fly out there and look at it, right? You don't want to come out to Arizona in July, right? I mean, you weren't coming out and visiting that. If this were in Hawaii, you might have had to go look at the property.
Yeah, right.
But my point is you leveraged others, right? You'll learn from it. The thing is, once you get through one, I think this is true with anything, right? There's growth and there's familiarity. So it's that uncertainty when you haven't done something. That's where it gets scary, the uncertainty part. But like you're saying, you give yourself permission to fail and you don't bet the farm. You make small bet. On your end is all about like valuing it ahead of time. Am I capturing enough equity?